Alright guys, the Handyman here, and today we are changing our outlet. I'm going to show you guys what I do with an outlet. And you guys see that I shook it right there, left to right a little bit. I do that method when I plug it up to see if there's a loose wire behind it. It's a method electricians use to see if the outlet is backstabbed, and so basically a wire is loose. So I'm going to test these back out again. See, I don't have light in the top, but it works on the bottom. That's a bad outlet right there. There's no shaking it up, there's no testing it out. That's definitely a bad outlet. So we're gonna go ahead and take this guy out. Obviously you take out the plate off, and then you take those two screws, and unfortunately these are flatheads, which I hate, the older styles, but we're gonna go ahead and take it out. A lot of people don't know those two holes that are right by each other, that's the hot, the neutral, and then the bottom one is the ground. Basically, when you plug something up, the hot and the neutral run a circuit. Hot runs to the TV, let's say for example, and then it comes back to the neutral, and it's just a circuit. And if there's a short or anything, that ground just protects you from getting shocked or causing a fire. All right. Make sure the voltage is not live. We turned off the breaker, and now we're good to go. No more red. So let's go ahead and take this bad boy out. That's basically all I need. Some gloves, insulated gloves, just to make sure. 11-in-1 screwdriver, some needle nose pliers. And sometimes you have to cut the wire because they will not come out the outlet. So you have to basically get some cable splitters. Yanked it out and the ground popped out, so we gotta go ahead and put that back together. Thing is so old, so brittle. But I like to separate the wires, hots and neutrals on one side, ground on the bottom. The newer outlets, they're so easy to install because it's color coded. The brass colored nuts, you basically put the hot wires on those, and then the silver colored screws, you put the neutrals in. And basically I just want to show you guys right here, what I like to do is like shape kind of a U-shaped ending to the copper, and basically grab some needle noses and just squeeze the two ends together nice and tight. So you don't even have to hold on to the wire or the outlet. You can just literally just screw it in there and be secure that it's safe and tight, which it is. So it's time to put that bad boy together and see what it reads. Let's go back on, turn on the power. These were not labeled, so I just turned off every small breaker that I could. Obviously, leave the big breakers alone because 240 doesn't run into outlets, only 120. All right, let's see what this guy gives us. Okay, good there, and good on the bottom. All right, that's how you change the outlet. The Handyman out.